If you are looking for wheel repair near the Albany Park area of Chicago, you have come to the right place. B&L Automotive Repairs, we specialize in restoring damaged wheels to their original condition. Our services include fixing bends, correcting balance, and repairing cosmetic damage like scratches and scuffs. We use precision tools and the latest technology to ensure your wheels not only look great but perform well too. Whether your wheels have suffered curb damage or are showing signs of wear and tear, B&L Automotive Repairs can help. Call us today for a wheel repair estimate and get your vehicle back to looking its best.